Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Shark S1000C steam mop. I got this steam mop from Walmart. I paid like 70 Canadian dollars for it, and it's pretty simple to assemble, so I'm gonna let you know what's inside, how to assemble it, and I'll show you how it works. And the reason I bought this steam mop is because I didn't want to get a mop that use cleaning solution, so I wanted to use steam mop because I have a baby and a pet bird, and it's safer to them and for us to not use chemical solution on the floor. It also prevents your floor from being sticky, which usually happen when you use cleaning solution with chemicals, and it cleans like 99.9% of germs from hard floors. And I'll show you how it works. So as you can see here, it's easy to assemble. That's the pump in action. So once you assemble everything, it's easy to work. This is the handle. You just put it together just like that. That's the wire. Have like about 7 to 10 feet of wire, so it's pretty good once you plug it in. And the pads that you see on the floor there, it comes with one pad, but you could always order more from the Shark website or Amazon. And the pads are reusable and washable, so you could put it in your washing machine and use it next time. This here, you fill it up with water, and this steam mop just works with water. No chemical solution, nothing. So as you can see, I fill it up there, and it takes like 30 seconds for it to steam up. And how to attach a pad, you just like snap it on there. Those white stuff on it, it clamps on quickly, and that's it. See how quickly that is? And you just plug it in, leave it to heat up like 30 seconds, and it's ready to use. If you like this video, I'll share a link where you could get it from Walmart for like $70. It's very lightweighted also, and if you're interested, you could purchase it. So it starts to steam up there. And you just pump it a little bit to get it all steamed up. You can also wet the pad a little bit so it will glide better. Give it a little bit of pump. I use a little bit force, so that's why it seems like it's hard to rub, but it's actually easy once you get to know about it and the way how it works. And the good thing about this steam mop, it cleans like 99.9% of germs and bacteria that we don't usually see without using any of those cleaning solution. Look at that, I just like use it for a couple seconds and it works. It's not really good for mats and so, but I'll use it to demonstrate how it works. If you want to like clean it up after you vacuum your mat and you just want to like rub it over it, you could do that also. And that's how it works. So if you enjoy watching this video, like and subscribe for more video on how it works.